Bye guys. Good luck. Setting up. The crew's going out. What up, what up? Good morning everybody. It is Thursday and we are about to head off to go see Will's PTS RS's collab with Triple O magazine. They're bringing out a bunch of paint to sample 911, so it's gonna be a really cool event at Canepa. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm really excited for this event. It's gonna be really awesome. It's only gonna be 2 hours long, so it's gonna be really quick, but I'm in. Let's go. Let's head out. Nice, quaint little neighborhood. Look at this tree though. Look how massive this tree is. It is humongous. All right, so we just got to the Rare Shades event and there's quite a bit of 911s here, as you can imagine. So I'm just gonna do a quick rundown of all the cars here and then I'm gonna go photograph them. So this RS almost looks familiar. Wow, I got those oranges. All right, so I think either my favorite or second favorite color, this is Turbo S right here. Previously owned by Jerry Seinfeld. This is called Turquoise Blue. 97 Turbo S. It's got all the beautiful yellow accents. The brakes, the seat belts. You know, the colors that are coming out of the camera don't really do this car any justice. Look at this. Too beautiful. Look at this. So my very favorite color at the show, I think, is the Jade Green. There's two cars here. There's a 1974 911. Really, really nice. Beautiful color. This is a mint green. I'll try to put them side by side so you guys can see. And Jade's a little, has a little bit more color tone. And check out this G body, which is also a Jade Green. So beautiful. Once again, the Jade and the mint, the comparison. So I just met Lisa, who owns a bunch of 911s. She had 18 shipped up here. That's her Cayman back there. And super sweet girl. She is a buddy of her own, and hopefully I can get to meet Lisa in her barn, take some pictures of her cars, you feel me? Anyways, let's go check out the rest of the cars out here. Look at this oak green. Now oak green is like one of my favorite greens just because it's so majestic. Super nice. And the tan, of course, always works great with the oak greens. So Mike used to be from New York and then moved to San Francisco and now is in LA. He started Motoring Club, which is, I'll let you take over from here.
Hey everyone, so we just launched our online platform, but a little preview of what we're working on is a clubhouse in LA to start. So we've basically taken the Cars and Coffee concept and trying to make it more permanent.
So basically on a Wednesday afternoon I can come over, have some coffee, check out cars.
Exactly.
Is it car storage also?
Yeah, so we'll do car storage, we're going to do events, we're going to do, we might do some builds.
Is there a website you guys have?
Yeah, so it's themotoringclub.co. And
okay.
if anyone wants to help me try to get the .com, it'd be much appreciated. I'm trying to buy it, but
nice.
Right now it's .co.
All right, right on. All right, Mike.
Thanks, everyone.
Man, look at this gray right here. This is like the one that Joe's doing that I want to go document. That mouse gray. This one's really, really nice. All right, so we just walked inside to Canepa, and of course we're on the showroom floor, and they got a very nice collection of cars over here. My favorite unicorn, of course, the 997.2 4.0 in white, of course. A 993, looks like a turbo. Black with a nice red interior. Beautiful. Look at this one. I like this one for you. I can't see how many miles on there. I need a flashlight. Wow.
This camera takes 30 pictures.
Oh my gosh. This car is perfect. All right, let's ask him how much this one cost. Wow, this is a 964 Turbo S. Okay, my bad. There you go, 964 Turbo S. Wow, the collection in here is just fabulous. Beautiful. So let's check out this 964 right here. It looks like an ROW because of the side marker, and it's got no sunroof. Very nice. It's got the cup ones. Oh, I'm sorry, my bad. It's a RS. Okay, my bad. This one has, I can't even tell, but the miles are super low. Beautiful black. Oh, I'm sorry, there's another RS right here. Just chilling right here. My goodness. And then there's a Turbo S in white over there. Good Lord. Wowzers. So this is a 98 C2S, but it's got the scoops here, so I thought it was a Turbo S. Apparently it's not. But it looks like mine a bit. That thing is huge. Looks crazy. Massive Torino. 427 cubic inches. Woo! Look at this, they took the cover off on this Indy race car. Chevrolet V8. Look at the shop view, let's go check it out. Wow, this is so cool. Oh my gosh, look at all these cars in here. Oh, you gotta film this. Hey Eric, I found a car that looks just like your stock. What in the world? Wow. Look at this place. Will you just look at it? So right there you have a 911R. Over there you have a 959. You have a 959, 959. There's Will right there. 959, more 959s. There's a Countach over there. There's a Countach right there. So there's a Mercedes Gullwing right there. Must be nice. What do we got here? Boom.
All right, what's up? What up? This is Sam representing Silicon Valley, keeping the air-cooled fever alive up here. Originally from Chi-Town, just moved here, get into the car scene. Big fan of Drew, happy to have met him today. Truly enjoy your vlog, watch you guys every week. One of these days I'm coming down there and meet up with you guys.
Yes, sir. Nice. One of the few cars left behind is this Jägermeister. Looks like it was signed by somebody. I'm sure it was somebody important in 2007. Don't know who. Beautiful orange color. And also the Luft 2 Safari. Very, very cool. Looks a little clean. Doesn't look like it's been on any safaris lately. Sick. All right, so we got Will right here from PTS RS. He just completed his events. How did it go?
It went well. It went much better than what I'd hoped for. I mean, we envisioned something in our minds. We wanted the colors all grouped together, but to actually see it in person, it's out of this world. So,
what was your favorite color here today?
my favorite. So there was a superior red metallic. I don't know if you got some footage of that, but that was the first time I ever saw this color in person. So, and it works really well with the touring. Yeah, that was probably the best one.
Nice. Any other favorite colors?
I mean, obviously, there was a Brewster Green came in here. I mean, Brewster Green's my favorite. There were a couple of dark blues there, really good too. So, yeah.
So I think my favorite color was the Jade Green, which I've never seen before.
Yeah.
It's that something that's obviously is probably limited in numbers, but is that only come on like the older G bodies or?
So you can actually get that as paint sample now.
Okay.
So they renamed it. It's called Lighter Green now.
Lighter
the
Green?
German name is still Hellgrün.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah,
I have seen that one.
Yeah.
That's an awesome color.
There's actually one .2 GT3 in that color in the US. So, yeah.
I have seen it. I saw it in Pasadena.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's in SoCal, but I think I've seen it.
Yeah, it's around. It showed up to at least one event where there are a couple special colored Porsches.
Nice.
So, yeah. But that's a good color.
Right on, man. Well, congrats, man.
So, yeah.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yeah, thank you so much for coming.
Yeah, for sure. I'm glad to be here. All right, so I just got Alex to get me a ride into the Sharkwerks. This is a 997.2 4.1, and we're just gonna go for a casual drive around the block, nothing serious. So, wish us luck. From a 3.8 to a 4.1, what's the biggest thing we're gonna notice here?
Basically the low end torque, which is, you know, with the stroker crank, you're not going to have this kind of torque in a regular GT3. It's much more high revving, and the power's up top. GT2 down low, but a GT3 up high. So it's got a bit of both. So where you'd use second gear, you can just use third.
This is a PTS color, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it was like one of three. We went to Isringhausen, which is in Springfield, Illinois. Instead of like a European delivery, we did our own Route 66 delivery.
Nice.
So it shows their
That feels a lot like the way a boost kicks in on a turbo. I don't know how fast we're going, but yeah, it feels really nice. 43, so under the speed limit on that one.
Yeah, just under. Just. I didn't want to, you know.
It's amazing how this car feels like 100 plus when you do 43.
Yeah.
But
I mean, it has like, you know, 530 horsepower and around 400 foot-pounds of torque, which is really unusual in a GT3 car.
right.
And a lot of journalists that drove it back in the day, you know, they basically called it like a GT3 with a GT2 kind of in it.
Right.
And then Jay Leno, when he drove it, he was like, yeah, it feels kind of like my Carrera GT, but in a 911. You know?
Nice.
It's a pretty spunky little engine. Better not piss anyone else off.
Yes. Big thank you to Alex for giving me a spin in the Sharkwerks. I mean, that was badass. I need to go to the bathroom real quick and check my pants, you feel me? Sharkwerks, the 997.2. It feels very much like a turbo when the boost kicks in, but you know, from the get-go, the power, the torque was just wonderful the way it just kicked in. Super fast. We kept under the speed limit, so you know, just badass. But thank you, Alex, for giving me an opportunity to sit in your car. Hopefully sometime in the next few days I can photograph it. It would be an honor to do it. So thank you guys for following along. I hope you guys enjoyed this little segment. Peace out.